Back again. Today's video, I'm going to show you something I seen over there. You'll guess at the title. There's a snake over here. There's a snake over here somewhere. See, when I find one of the holes, I'll show you what I mean. Hold on a second. Oh, I couldn't find one. I'm hoping and praying that the snake's dead and gone. Tell me to find it. I don't know, dudes. I can't find one. Let's check here. Dude, there's something over there moving. Listen. Listen. There's something over there. I'm definitely not going to stop until I see it. Oh no, can you see that? I just don't know, guys. Oh, you know how cicadas ain't out like this year? I think this is a cicada. I think this is a cicada. Tell me if this is a cicada, guys, in the comments. Is that a cicada? Don't know. Let's look forward. Watch out for snakes, though, guys. That's why I have this stick-em-a-bobber. I investigate the wild. Let's see. So, let's walk up this way. I just seen something move right over there. This is very dangerous. Don't be doing what I'm doing. Fun fact before we get started on our hike. We actually killed a copperhead today. Not today, but last time we were here. I just definitely don't know where it could be. I don't know. And I killed this weird looking snake thing. I actually don't know what it was called. I actually don't know what it was called though. Really don't. But I didn't. But now I do. It's called the southern redneck snake. Let's go venture forth. I don't see anything yet. I don't see anything yet, do you? I was hoping to find a rabbit or somewhere. Let's go venture forth. Now, the part of the place that we're about to go through is highly dangerous. There is a bunch of leaves, tall grass up here. So, I'm gonna have to take a risk. Oh, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to bleep this out. Come on. Oh, we found one wildlife critter. I don't know if you can see this. It was a butterfly. Never mind. Well, we seen one wildlife critter. The butterfly. These sneaky places, you can see snakes everywhere. See snakes everywhere. Hold on a minute. It's starting to turn on me. Oh. Never mind. That was neat. It was turning on me and I thought it was supposed to turn or something. Well, I guess we'll just hang out here till we do find something. Well, we can't go wrong. We did find one thing. We did find a butterfly. Mom, look at these tires. She says, wow, we found frogs and everything in here. That sounds pretty solid. Yep. Those are pretty solid. I think that's all we're going to see today, guys, is a butterfly. Here used to be a really bad sneaky place for snakes, too. Because it was a junkyard. Well, let's travel forth. I don't know. Yes, I'm gonna put the stick down. Oh, guys, my legs are itching. I don't know what's making my legs itch. Hold on, I have to bleed this out. I just don't know. Dead cicada. I haven't seen those little snake holes. I'll tell you when I see one. I don't know, guys, but this could be one right here. We found the ant colony. Good old ant colony. See those little bitty ants crawling around? The ant colony. Well, we found one good thing. Two good things: the butterfly and the ant colony. So let's venture forth. Oh, I found one, guys. I don't know if this is it right now, but I think I found one. That hole right there. Let's hoping and praying that's not no snake hole or anything. Oh, that's creepy. I found three good things: butterfly, ant colony, snake hole. Pretty good, actually. Just to be honest. I'm getting kind of tired. I think I'm going to have to end this video here, guys. I just don't know. This wilderness right here. I mean, I know it's not hard to like, I bet you all y'all out there are saying, "Oh no, don't quit this. You got this, you got this. Don't quit this, I don't see more critters." I know, so do I. But I can't help the fact that we only found three things. There's one more thing I forgot to show y'all. It's back here in the misty, milky grass. I'm not gonna go way back there though. That'll be for next video. Viral. I think I found something to send. Oh. Well, I think I'm gonna have to end this video here, guys. If you like this video, comment, subscribe, like, and share, and I don't know, just comment below and tell me what kind of critters these are. I don't really know what they are. So comment below. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.